Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Muhammad Harisah Muhammad Khalid from Group PI009E21, Foundation of Engineering, UiTM The Gate. Have you ever wondered how the newspaper can fit so much text in one page without it being hard to read? Actually, by using Microsoft Word, you can get pretty much the same result as it is. We can achieve this result by creating newspaper-style columns, which are also called newsletter columns. With this column, it allows the text and image to flow from one column to the next. Hello everyone, welcome to our very first word mastery tutorial. Today, we'll dive into a useful skill creating columns and wrapping text around image. Let's get into it. Before we begin, ensure you have opened your Word document and inserted your documents. In this video, I will use the article by the words. I will put the link for the article in the description box below. As you can see, the article is good, but not attractive enough because the text is spread from side to side, making it look like they have hundreds of words and making the reader lazy to read them. By using columns and text wrapping, you can enhance the layout and aesthetics of your document. First step is to create columns. To create column, first go to Layout tab and select column. You can choose the number of columns you want. It's that simple. Columns can help organize content and make your document visually appealing. Now, you need to place your cursor anywhere in the regular text, and the column will be applied to the entire document. Remember, make sure you space out the title more since we don't want the title in two columns. Watch me create two columns for a new newsletter style layout. As you can see how the text flows seamlessly into the next column. You can also try other types of columns like 3 columns, left, which creates a thin column on the left side, and right, which also creates a thin column on the right side. But for this video, I will continue with 2 columns as it fits my document the best. And here to make the document neat, I justified all the text by click Home and click Justify. For the next part, if your document have image, let's spice it up by wrapping text around image. To do this, click on the image, go to the picture format tab and choose wrap text. There are many tabs of wrap text, but for this type of document, select an option like square or type for a professional touch. Here, I have an image in this document. By choosing type, the text elegantly wraps around it, giving your document a polished look. Experiment with different wrapping style to find what suits your content best. You can drag the picture and place it wherever you want. Alternatively, you can also select position and look for with that text. This can make it easier for you to organize the picture. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips. Use breaks under the Layout tab to control columns break. With this column break, you can control which text you want in the column. Additionally, click columns and select more columns to adjust column width and spacing to achieve the desired visual balance. If you want, you can uncheck equal column to enter specific widths for individual columns. You can also add line between columns to make your article resemble the newspaper even more.
Here I just want to rearrange the thing so it is neat and tidy.
And then you have it. Creating columns and wrapping text around image in Word is a breeze.
I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and
If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more word mastery, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Until the next time, happy word crafting.